Can we see the Reddit watch history on PC? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can see the Reddit watch history using PC. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out if we can do that or not. For that, you can go ahead and open up your Reddit on your PC, go to reddit.com in your preferred browser. And once you have opened it up, you'll be finding this interface on the screen. So the next step is you can go to your profile at the top right corner and head over to settings. Usually we find our history on settings, so you can go to this privacy section right here. And when we go over there, when we scroll down, we are finding different options, but we don't really have the option of watching the history, unfortunately. But apart from that, we have this option called clear history right here, right down the third-party app authorizers. So you can use this feature in order to clear up the history, but we don't have a direct feature that allows us to watch the history. But you can use up your preferred browser. If there is any browsing history on, you can go to the history section and look out for your history from here. But other than that, we don't really have the option available. So for now, this is the method you can apply up and clear up your history instead of watching the history if you really want to delete your history. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.